welcome to Institute of Banking Studies. So finally, SBI Clerk notification 2026 is out. So the most awaited registration date starts from 11th of August and will be till 31st of August. And yes, the good news is the total number of vacancies including the backlog is 9,124. Now let's know the tentative schedule of prelims and mains exam. Prelims exam will be conducted in the month of September and mains exam will be conducted in the month of November. Coming to the age limit, candidates who are between 20 and 28 can apply for this post. Now let's look on to the exam pattern. The prelims exam consists of 3 sessions: English language, numerical ability, reasoning ability. The medium of examination will be in English and the total number of questions will be 100 and maximum marks is also 100. The duration is also given here, 20 minutes for each sessions. So total 1 hour. 1/4 mark will be deducted for each wrong answer. Now here in the mains examination we have 4 sessions: general financial awareness, English language, quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability and computer aptitude. So the medium will be in English only. Number of questions is 190 and maximum marks will be 200. So total duration will be 2 hours 40 minutes. And that duration is also mentioned here. And 1/4 of the marks will also be deducted for each wrong answer. So now we are having the phase 3, that is local language proficiency test. That is the selected candidates who have not studied any of the specified local language in their class 10th and 12th will have to appear in the local proficiency language test. And the pattern of the test is as follows. Test will be in the 2 sessions, non-verbal test and verbal test, and the total marks is 20. So aspirants, don't miss this opportunity and register today itself. For more details, contact IBPS.